What? But it always looks like that. Oh, that's because I put the child filter on the house.
What the? Wait, what's happening? It's like there's some kind of device censoring every gosh word I say.
Cursing is unsafe, Gumball. Words can hurt.
Dude, I don't even know any real curse words. I only know the mom-sanctioned versions.
But those words hint at the bad ones, so they need to be censored as well.
So what are we supposed to say when we need to vent?
Like when?
Like now.
Ah,